He's trying to eat the grass. You know he loves that tall grass. Ooh, I'm gonna get on the walk over here because my back is not gonna do the hill. Good morning. He needs a longer leash. We gotta get him a longer leash. Get him a longer leash so he can run a little bit more. Because you see he wants to take off, but his leash is a little too short for him to do so. So originally there were no stairs here. It's just a nice little hill. But people use this forest preserve for a lot of picnics. You'll see picnic tables all over. People have like family reunions and things like that. Somebody's excited. The tongue hanging out. Oh. He's definitely excited. I know, that's what I said. Somebody's excited.
Yeah, right. I want you to run free.
No eating
no,
the
no.
grass.
Hey, okay.
Bowie. He loves eating that tall grass, but he has too many allergies and issues for us to allow it. It's so funny because right outside of this is a really busy street, two busy streets, 87th Street on Western. It should be obvious that we are on the path to Midway Airport. That's why you see so many planes going by. Southwest in particular. They fly out of Midway. Want to go back in the trail? Sherry? You want to go back in that trail?
What'd you say?
The trail, you want to go?
Come here, Shay.
I think this is the way you go to avoid the hill.
Get your little butt up here.
Huh? Bruh, my legs and hips are not ready for the day. I gotta take my time. Morning. Oh, my Lord.
What dog was it?
A little bitty doggy. Oh.
Wow. Okay, let's walk back. That's excitement. for
Great
one day.
purchase. I mean, I bought it. He wouldn't use it initially, but he's using it today.
Let's go back.
Oh shit!
Wow.
My phone.
Oh, your phone. Yeah.
Oh my God! My mind is I literally just left my phone and tripod here. Well, at least we didn't get that far. Oh my goodness. Oh, yeah. Obviously, a lot on my mind. I'm just like, oh my goodness, how did I forget my phone and tripod? But like I said, at least we didn't go too far away. But, yeah. Grateful to be out here in nature. It always kind of makes me feel better. So I'm grateful for this. And then also Shane needs to get out more. He gets so excited. I can't hear you. Oh, you think so? You think so? I don't think so. She's saying this little side is, well, it might be. But there's some, she's saying that this side where they got those poles is lower than the stairs. It might, yeah, I guess it is, because I don't know, there's some comfort about a stair, but let's see, I don't know. I knew I should have taken the sidewalk on the other side, but I guess I'll try it. Huh. Okay. She's waiting for me. I gotta get this jacket off there. No, I said if I set my tripod up, will you coming? Huh? Oh, you're not? I try to get her to, like, you know, capture some content. Like, if I set my tripod up here as I struggle up this hill,
You're not gonna struggle. Let's go.
will she come and get my tripod?
No, let's go. Hold on. Shane, go pull us both
Well, I need to go through here. You guys over there. This is the smaller side. No, it's not.
Let's go.
Okay.
Shane, pull us up.
Pull us up,
Be the
Shane.
sled dog. Hold on. Pull.
Pull.
Pull. He's like, what? This is how you don't want to speed, huh?
Right. Well, you got him on a tight leash. Give him some. There you go.
Pull, Shane. Pull. Shane, pull. He ain't pulling. You need him to work. He don't want to work.
He want to sniff and smell everywhere. Okay, this is definitely better than the stairs. The stairs were pretty darn high. Coming down.
This is lower than the stairs.
Yeah, thanks.
You doing it with ease, show off.
Shane.
Show off. Like, come on.
I know. He's like, what? Let's go. I got more to sniff. Oh, almost. Huh? Oh, we made it. That is a serious little hill. Okay, we did it. Not bad. You said you're gonna do that regularly. Oh. Whew. Okay, not bad. Not bad. You know how sometimes things look harder than they actually are? You still have to go for it though. So, I'm glad I did. She'll be back. She'll be back. She'll be back. She'll be back. Shane, she'll be back. Relax. You see her? She's coming. You see her? There she is. I'm like, she's coming back. She's coming back.
That's the only one I hear. Hello, baby.
She'll be back. It's okay. Latest episode has gone live. I definitely missed some things I wanted to add, but you know, I'm just grateful I was able to get up a video edited up, period. So I kind of like it though. It was a really quiet video. I might be doing more of those. What's that, Secret Service dog? Thank you, bud.
Which way you want to do it?
Yeah, no, I'll open it. Don't want to crush them. Thank you, they're lovely. Appreciate it. Thank you. Ooh, ooh, dropping it. That's so nice. She's just putting the cart away. She's just putting the cart away, babe. She'll be right back. My Lord. She's just putting the cart away. She'll be right back. My Lord. We love this mixture with the croutons and the chili cornbread and the dill pickles, but we don't use the dressing. Why are you whining? She'll be back in a second. And then Gardein, love these little spicy chicken fillets. So yeah, starving. Gonna make a little salad with chicken. You've never seen them. This is what they look like. So they're like breaded. But one thing I love, they just got like a really nice spice. I don't like the one that's not spicy, but I love this spicy. It's delish. So I'll just throw it in the air fryer. I like to preheat it a little bit. So this is the little packet that includes like the dill pickle and everything. We don't use the dressing, but love this mixture. It's so yummy. Absolutely yummy.
It says 100% pork and 100% rice.
So we got some of this lettuce left over from last night because I thought there would be leftover tacos, but there aren't because it was around 11:30 when I got a text from Bub saying she's hungry. Let's eat some tacos. So there are no leftover tacos, but I'll use these shells for something.
Sit. You don't get no choices today. Down.
Somebody's in trouble. Here's a chicken sandwich and the salad. I highly recommend this salad. It's so delicious. So delicious. I can't get over how beautiful they are. They're like perfectly full, yeah? I love them. Very sweet above too. Think of me. I'll get them. But I need to get them in some water. I've been asleep. Just been so exhausted. Yeah. So I want to get them in some water. We actually saw these, I think, yeah, the day before. And we just happened to go back to the same store today. So she picked them up for me. But of course, we've got to cut them under H2O and get them in a vase. Flowers was definitely one of the things that I want to get more into. With the plant business, I did do a Mother's Day event once where I made a bunch of bouquets. They went over really well. I'll insert a little picture or a little video or something of it. Yeah, but so I'm gonna get down to this. Probably cutting them too short because they're relatively short. But of course you want to get a nice angle cut on them. Right now I just want to get them in here and then I'll rearrange them, but I don't want this water running too long. I'm trying to be a good citizen. And this opening is a little smaller than I would like, but this is all that I have here, so I'm gonna make the most of it. And of course, you don't want any leaves to be in the actual water. It just helps to breed bacteria and stuff. So yeah, this is gonna be a nice tight little squeeze. I'm gonna try to make the most of it. Little carnations. Very simple flower, but always so beautiful. A little too warm. You don't want warm water for sure. You don't want ice cold water. You also don't want like hot water. And these obviously are not the appropriate scissors, but this is all I have here. I do have some plant cutting scissors, but they're in the storage. With all my other plant shelf stuff. So we make do. But yeah, I'll be back. Alright, finish with the flowers. I'm gonna just use this tray so we don't get more water stains on here. I already have to do a little doctoring on some of the water and heat stains on the wood, but for now this will do. Ooh, that is heavy, but it's pretty. Very pretty. Sitting right here because this is where I sit all the time when I'm in the kitchen, which is kind of like where we are most of the time, which is why you always see all this stuff on the table, because this is kind of like where we live, here at the kitchen table. But they're nice, very, very nice. Definitely a little something to feel joy about. Okay, today I decided to do my meditation tonight because I woke up later than I like to. Generally I like to do my morning meditation, so I usually like to do it preferably around 5 a.m., 5:30 a.m. But that just hasn't happened the last few days. but we still want to get it in. So I decided today that I wanted to go be out in nature a bit, so that's why we went and took that really long walk this morning, and that I would just do my meditation at night. I have a playlist on Spotify called Fat Girl in Om 2.0. I'm going to do a new playlist because this is like a playlist from like last year or so. It still works for me. That's the thing about me. I'm very specific with the music that I use. If I use music for meditation, one of the songs that I start with is Faith's Hymn. You heard a little snippet of it here. I didn't want to get, dinged by YouTube, but you heard a little bit of it. One reason why I always start my playlist with that song is because I think it's a great intro to relaxing your mind and helping you tap into your breathing, because literally in the song, you hear them breathing. And the humming is also a great way to relax your mind, because eventually I start humming with them, once you learn the rhythm of it, and you start breathing with them on occasion as well. So I think Faith's Hymn by Beautiful Chorus is a really great beginner's intro song for meditation. It's a little bit over 6 minutes. It is, I want to say, how long is it? It's a little bit over 6 minutes. I think about 6 minutes, 23 seconds, something like that. And I just think it's a really good song if you want to start meditating to music. I think it would be a really good choice. But I will link the playlist. I also linked a 5-minute meditation that I did quite a while back on Fat Girl Om on Instagram. I linked that in the description as well. But yeah, I just wanted to get in a short meditation. I know for me, like I think I said it the other day, I know that I'm gonna do about 5 to 10 minutes max as I'm getting back into the routine. And I'm 100% fine with that, because this is a ritual that builds, it ebbs and flows, just like, most things in our lives. So I'm okay with that. But yeah, so now that I've had my meditation and I had a really long nap, I have a lot of editing to do. Today I filmed most of my footage on my DJI 2. So I gotta pull it off the DJI, get it on my phone, because that's just where I edit. It's just easier for me to do it there. And yeah, prep for the video for tomorrow. Oh, and Bub made chili, so I'm looking forward to getting some of that. And then we'll call it a night, but my nights have been pretty late. I think that's why I'm probably napping more, because 1 a.m. is kind of like the time I go to sleep, and I naturally wake up no matter what, around 5, 6 a.m. at the latest. Usually it's more like 3:34, but lately it's been like 5:36 that I wake up before my alarm goes off, because I do have an alarm set for meditation at 6:30, and I beat the alarm and I just turn it off because I'm like, I don't want it waking me back up. But then I have another alarm that goes up at 7:15. But yeah, so I'm going to, like I said, start working on the edit, get a little chilly, and call it a night. Bub made this chili while I was asleep. Smells delicious. Just gotta heat it up. Oh, and she was so excited because I was like, well, get some oyster crackers, and she was like, look what I found. She's so excited by these little minis. So this is what we have in lieu of oyster crackers. So I'm sure it'll be just as good. I love these cute little sponges that we got from Aldi. the decorative side is the most absorbent. So, FYI. But all right. Oh, you know what? I need to put some cheese on here. Yeah. Put some cheese on there and then hit them with these little minis. Yeah, let me do that. Of course, we use vegan. This is the one from from Aldi. It's not bad, it's okay. We've used it for a few years now. It does the job. Put it back in the microwave for like 30 seconds just to like melt the cheese a little bit more. Then add my crackers. And then get to work on editing the video for tomorrow. I definitely poured in more crackers than I needed, but oh well. Just crunch them up. But yeah, gotta get all this data off of here. Whew, I'm gonna have to go grab my fan, I'm feeling hot. But yeah, get all my data off my DJI and get it up on the phone. So yeah, I'm just gonna eat my chili, watch my little Christmas movie. They bring me joy, a little bit of joy. I'm looking forward everywhere I can get it. So, gonna do that. And hopefully it won't be too late. It's currently 8 o'clock, so hopefully I should be finished no later than like 10:30, hopefully. Evening, so my prediction was right on the money. It is currently 10:36 and I just finished editing the video for the most part. I always go in the morning and finalize it. But yeah, now it's time to go back to bed and hopefully fall asleep, get a little bit more rest. But if you made it this far, thanks so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. If you haven't yet, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you tomorrow.